Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So today I plan on working out. I've gained about 2 pounds and I can't do it. I wanted to work out on my porch, but I wouldn't be able to record it, so I decided just to do it in my living room. My son is over there doing his homework. Say what's up, Tony.
What's up, guys?
So I said, well, I'm gonna dress up just like I would if I was going to the gym. So I have on my hat, I'm gonna put on my shoes. I'm doing a hip hop workout on YouTube, so I'll put the link in the description box. Want to try it out for yourself, you and your family, so we can keep moving, sis, because y'all know we gotta look cute. Summertime coming up, we gotta look good. Okay, y'all, look at me. I am sweating. That was a really good workout, but I still have a little bit more energy, so I think I'm gonna do one more workout. I do have the link in the description box if you guys want to try her out. She is off the chain. She's so much fun. It was a lot of fun doing that workout, y'all, so I'm gonna do one more. I just had a package come in. I ordered a smartwatch from Amazon. It's wet because I wiped it down, so let me open it. If I could get in it. Where's my little knife? Hold on, because it's still at the door. Ugh. Okay. The Amazon people be tripping me out because they just knock and then just leave. All right, so this is how the watch looks, and I only paid $35 for this. Now the last one that I had, I paid $100. So this is it. So it's a calorie counter, monitor your steps, heart rate, all that good stuff. So let me wipe this down. Under here is the charger to charge your watch, and it comes in 2 different colors, the pink and the black. So I just got the black one. So this is just a little user. I'm shaking y'all because I just got done working out. I'm tired. This is the user manual. And then, like I said, this is the charger. So you have to charge the watch up before you can use it. I just wiped it down, so it's a little wet. Y'all know I've already worked out today, so I won't be using it today. But, well, I might, because I might do another workout later on because there's really nothing else to do. So you might as well take that time out to better yourself, right? So I might maybe jog in place, walk in place, something like that. I don't know. We'll see, because I want to use the watch to see how good it works. So $35, you cannot beat that. I'll have the link in the description box below. This looks cool. Okay. So it's a magnet. That's cool. I've never seen nothing like that before. All right, and then you have to use your own cube. So let me get the Just use my iPhone cube. Up. Let's take this sticker off. Why does this keep coming off? Alright. This is what it looks like. I think it's charged all the way. I don't know. So I'm feeling a little hungry, so I think I'm going to do this Amy organic soup. This is the Southwestern vegetable soup. This is really good. So I think I'm going to do this and a grilled cheese with tomatoes. So I'm going to see if Tony wants a grilled cheese too, but I'm hungry. So this explains my appetite and the pimple that's on my head. So I do use the app Flow. It's a free app to download. You would just have to enter your information, the last cycle, how long your cycle stays on. And you have to try to keep track in order for this to be accurate. I've had some of you guys say that, you know, it doesn't work for you. But as long as you enter your information the right way, it should work. So mine is telling me that I have 3 more days, and it's saying I have a low chance of getting pregnant. Thank the Lord, because I'm not trying to get pregnant. So Tony went to the store again, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on and I'll do a quick grocery store haul for you guys. Here's my setup. I'm just gonna sit everything up here, put my gloves on, and show you what he picked up. Corn on the cob, pears, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, broccoli, oranges, asparagus, plums, chicken breast strips, canned corn, cream of mushroom, no bean chili, baked beans, sweet peas, green beans, beef ravioli, chicken pot pie soup, mushroom pasta sauce, roasted garlic parmesan sauce, yellow rice, Irish Spring soap, Dove soap, Simply Peach, Sprite, long grain wild rice, spaghetti noodles, paper plates, Maxis, tampons, Shell's mac and cheese, and that is it for our grocery store haul. So this should hold us over from the stuff that we got last week, and this week we should be good for a while and we shouldn't have to go back to the store. So that's it. All right, y'all, so it is 7:13 and yes, I'm getting ready to eat again. And I know on my previous clip this morning I said happy Wednesday, but it's actually Tuesday. Taco Tuesday to be exact. All right, y'all, Tony's making his taco first. He likes soft shell. He's gonna do one hard shell, and I'm gonna try those other taco shells that you bought.
They make the lemons? That's what I'm gonna get.
Where they at?
I'll eat one later, shit.
These are the ones that I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna pop 2 of them in the oven.
I'm gonna try that later. I'll do that in a minute. After I eat these, I'm gonna smash these real quick. I'm starving. Oh, Alright, y'all, I like to put my my sour cream and my guacamole on my whatever these are, soft tortilla wraps. Well, they're not wraps, but they taco small enough for taco. But I like to put it on here first when I'm doing those 2 things. And I put a lot too, because I like a lot. Sort of like overkill. I already put my meat in my taco.
You see how I added the onion and the bell pepper and the meat?
Yeah.
You think that's gonna be good?
Yep.
Yeah, look, I tried something different. And I added onion and bell pepper in the meat. So that should be very tasty. We only had our lettuce for the hamburgers. So I just chopped up those, and what's the name of that stuff? I don't know the proper name for it, but y'all know the big lettuce leaves that you put on the burger?
That was the Boston lettuce.
Oh yeah, that's what this is. I just had to, you know, improvise. Then we're gonna use cheese. Gotta use this one up because it's a little bit left, so. This is the wrap, the whole wheat wraps that he used. Because he's watching his weight. No, he's just trying to cut back any way he can because, you know, we're not able to go to the gym, so yeah. And I'm just waiting on mine to warm up. Little Tony likes having chicken boats. If you guys been following me for a while, you know that already.
It's on.
Yeah, it's still on.
Did you want guacamole or no? I'll put it up.
I'm gonna, yeah, leave it out. I tried on one of my tacos. I'm gonna use a paper plate, y'all, because I don't feel like washing no more dishes tonight. So
No.
I might not need to open this cheese yet. All right, y'all, my turn. How is it? Okay. Got my 2 tacos. I'm gonna add a little bit of this meat first. I like to have that sour cream that you can just that you could just squeeze on the taco, but they were all out. It's just easier because we like doing taco night. Tony, you ready for your taco? Because I can go ahead and heat up your stuff, or you want to wait a little bit?
I'm ready to shop.
Okay. All right, then I'm gonna add a little bit of sour cream.
Nice.
You said what?
I'm taking one of y'all shower. Y'all shower.
Your shower nice too. Y'all hear him? He telling he taking a shower in our bathroom. All right. Sour cream. Then I'm gonna try a little bit of guacamole on my taco tonight. Just on one. Y'all know this is the guacamole from Walmart. So good. Maybe I'll put that on both because that flavor is so good. So I'm gonna put it on both. Okay. And then I'm going to add, what am I? I'm gonna add cheese next. Feels good.
Yes.
I'm gonna add cheese. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of lettuce. I don't know why I feel like I'm forgetting something. Lettuce. If y'all hear that noise, that's my washing machine. I forgot to turn it on earlier to wash our sheets and stuff. All right, y'all. Here is my tacos.